so today we're going to be making tea for my mum because she loves tea. So we have a cup here, and I like this cup because it says follow your dreams on it. And we're going to boil the kettle now. And if we go over here, you see that there's some roses here. I can't choose which one is my favorite because this one is nice and white and big, and these ones are classic red, one of my favorite colors, and they smell really good. Oh, the kettle is nearly done. I'm just gonna go get a tea bag and a spoon. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite rose. So we're going to put a tea bag in the cup, and we're going to get a spoon so then we can mix. Now we pour the boiling hot water in to the cup, and then ask our adult to help you with boiling hot water. Now we're going to mix the tea bag into the tea. Let me just go get some milk. So we're going to milk. Open the milk, and we pour the milk into the tea, and then we mix the tea. And we get the tea bag out. Why is it not working? We get the tea bag out, wait for it to drip, and then we go and put it in the bin. And there you have it, nice fresh hot tea. If your mum likes sugar in the tea, then you can put 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye!